If you're experiencing high ping while playing Baldur's Gate 3, it can significantly affect your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce your ping and improve your connection. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your speeds are low, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection. This can provide a more stable and faster connection, reducing latency and improving your overall gaming experience. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. This includes streaming services, downloads, or other online activities that could affect your connection. Step 4. Change server region. In the game settings, check if you can change the server region you're connecting to. Selecting a server closer to your geographical location can help reduce ping and improve your connection quality. Step 5. Optimize game settings. Adjust the in-game settings to optimize performance. Lowering graphic settings can reduce the load on your system and improve your connection stability. Additionally, ensure that the game is updated to the latest version for optimal performance. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce high ping and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in Baldur's Gate 3. Happy gaming!